So every once in a while, you know, what I just end up doing, it's like unplanned really. It happens, you know, like I said, every so often. I just change up the look. And I've just always kind of done that. I just kind of wake up one day and decide, I'm gonna change up the look, change up the style, change up everything. And whether it's like throwing away, like over a weekend, throwing away all my clothes and buying a whole new wardrobe, if I had the money, but you know, or drastically changing my hair or look, or just anything, you know, I just kind of wake up one day and do it. So, and usually I just do it, you know, and don't give anybody heads up, you know, just like friends or family or, you know, girlfriend or anything, which causes some trouble, you know. And usually I just do it, but this time, you know, I decided I'm gonna change it up a little bit, not too much, but like today I'm gonna get some dreadlocks, and I think I'm gonna be able to do the whole head of dreadlocks. I think that's a little too much, you know. I don't have the guts to do that, but I'm gonna get some. I'm gonna change up that look a little bit, and so like I said, usually I would just do it, but now that I have a channel, I have a responsibility to my viewers, so I'm gonna film it. All right, guys, see you then. All right, so walking down some streets somewhere in downtown Mexico City. I have no idea where I am really, or a little idea. If it wasn't for maps, I'd be screwed, but. So I'm walking down this street here. The reason I'm down this street is because I'm going to this place right here. Right behind me. Gonna get a couple of dreads. Not gonna do the whole head. That's a little too much, but I'm gonna get a couple of dreads. Probably 2 or 3 in the back. And gonna do like a hybrid. And so this is the place in Mexico City to get them done from what I've been reading. So this is where I'm gonna do it. All right, guys, take care. And I'm gonna film it, at least if they let me. All right, take care. All right, so I'm here with Lluvia. Lluvia, say hi. Hi. Lluvia's gonna do my dreadlocks. I'm getting them in the back. I'm not getting the whole head. She's gonna do them in the back for me. I will start out with the back first. So we'll see. If I want to get the head, I'll come back to Mexico City. And I'll see you. Hola, Lluvia. I should do the whole head, huh? We'll start with this. If I change my mind before I leave, I'll come back. It doesn't hurt at all. It feels fine. It doesn't hurt at all.
There's people who cry.
Really? It doesn't hurt at all.
Well, just one guy.
A guy? And he was crying? The tattoo hurts more. Oh, that hurts. Yeah, that hurts. This doesn't hurt at all. Okay. Find someone in Yucatan?
Me, but I'm on vacation here. There's someone in Playa del Carmen.
Yeah.
But you have to wait like 2 months, maybe.
That's okay, yeah. Alright, so she's done. Lluvia just finished. There they are. Let's start. My first 4. Start out, see how that goes. And I may change my mind and get the whole head. Who knows? Alright, say bye, Lluvia.
Bye bye.
Bye, Lluvia. Say hi.
Hi again.
Yulia's working on my hair, making the extensions, making it longer. And I lost my selfie stick, so I gotta do this by hand.
So close. Almost done. Maybe I'm famous.
Well, maybe, maybe someday.
Maybe someone hired
It's better here in Mexico City. Anyway, I only have 18 subscribers right now, so I only have 18 subscribers right now, so.
Pero no se cae y se revienta.
I'm not gonna tell her anything. I'll just let her think about it. But I'll show her your video.
Puro chistecillo. Así es donde salen las creaciones chidas.
La banda ya va mucho por trata de eso, ¿verdad? Como ya los
Hazte viral en TikTok. Hazte viral en TikTok.
queremos
One, go. All right, guys, welcome back. Hi. All right, so you guys remember Lluvia? Say hi, Lluvia.
Hello.
Okay, so she's the one that did my dreadlocks. Look at this. She's the one that did my 4 dreadlocks in Mexico City. And so I'm in Playa and she calls me up and she's like, hey, I'm in Mérida. And so that's where we are. It's a city in Mérida. It's about, what, 2.5 hours, 3 hours from Playa del Carmen. So she's gonna finish up my dreadlocks. She said, come on down, I'll finish up your dreadlocks. I said, okay. So that's what we're doing right now. We're at a hostel in Mérida, in Yucatan, and she's doing up my dreadlocks. So hope you guys enjoy. So I'll film some of this, put bits and pieces on, and then we'll give you the final product after it's done.
Yay.
And it doesn't hurt at all. You know, it doesn't hurt. It feels fine.
Really?
Yeah. So don't make it hurt.
Promise.
And they'll be the same thick as the other ones?
Mm-hmm. That's what I tried. We have to do a little bit big squares because your hair is thin. Otherwise, you're gonna have like 140, and I don't want to tell you once they need to be like maintenance.
Yeah.
There will be a need. Well, this is the tool.
Oh, okay. I have to do this now. Pretty soon, short hair. Alright, see how it's coming along? It's not done yet, but it's getting there. How's it gonna look, Lluvia?
Pretty nice.
Is it gonna
Pretty
look,
handsome.
is it gonna look like yours? I want it to look like yours.
Kind of.
Alright, it's coming along. Get closer. Con su pastel.
Pensé que ibas a tomar foto.
Felicidades, mira.
Gracias.